Hey guys, welcome to Take a Pod. I'm your host, and my name is Jacob Mzia. Take a Pod is a podcast where we discuss and explore technology in its simplest way possible. A lot of people are intimidated by technology, and they think that technology is meant for a specific group of people. But we're here through this podcast to show everyone, wherever you are, that technology is really meant for everyone. Technology is meant to simplify the way we work, the way we live life, and it is meant to make life more fun than it could ever be. Imagine the technology that we interact with on a daily basis if it wasn't there. Let's give an example of our car wipers. If we didn't have that functionality of wipers on our cars, we would probably have to put out our hands out the window with a towel or a brush and then rub off the water while we're driving. This would be hectic and driving wouldn't be fun at all. Would only have to wait for the rains to go or the snow to go for us to drive. And this wouldn't be efficient. So we would lose time on the things we want to do because we're waiting for the rain to go out. Those are some of the reasons that technology is put in place. On this podcast, most of the episodes I'm going to be appearing solo, but in some episodes I'm going to be privileged to be joined by various guests. And these guests are going to be from all walks of life. These guests are going to include technology experts, such as software developers, telecommunications engineers, and these guests are also going to include those who are not in the technology profession in any way. So these might include farmers. These might also include English literature professors. It may also include those who work with toddlers, like elementary or child development experts. They're going to be sharing how they utilize technology to their advantage, how they use technology on a daily basis. If this is something that you enjoy, and I believe that everyone should appreciate technology, subscribe to the podcast from wherever podcast platform you're listening or watching us from, and stay tuned so that you don't miss the upcoming episodes. I believe that technology should be simplified, and those who understand how technology has been simplified, it's their role to teach the others or help others explore technology the same way they explored it. Until next episode, stay safe, and thanks for listening and watching.